yeah.
Huh?
Come on.
Where we going?
Honey's?
No, we go to Hit My Rod or MTV Crib reveal. Isn't that your car?
No, that's Elantra.
What's yours?
Sonata.
Sonata. Same thing.
That one.
Alright, we gotta go take a look. We gotta get an MTV Crib walkthrough. Yo, this thing is hybrid.
Yeah.
Yours is a hybrid.
Yeah, mine's not a hybrid, no.
Uh-huh.
I have this engine. Yeah, I have the same motor in my car. Chill. Why are you stop touching stuff?
Why not? Why aren't we touching stuff?
No. I don't know, I leaned in and shit was like...
What?
Dude, I'll tell you.
What?
When I first got here, I leaned in to look at something and my keys fucking scratched.
Yeah. Oh.
Sorry, bud. This is the inline.
We out of here. I just started pressing the SOS button. Hopefully that didn't work.
Idiot. Watch out, get out the way.
Yeah, you think if I drain the wheel over there?
Oh, I'm
You're
sorry.
good, no worries, man. You're
No
good.
further than Kel got her.
What's this line? 6?
What?
Inline 6?
No, that's a 4-cylinder turbo.
Oh.
That's the same motor
So
into my
it's
car.
got
Whatever. Ooh, taper!
Taper! No, I know what's wrong with it.
Stop, dude. You're an idiot. Delude.
Go there. The Prelude? And it's hybrid.
There's no way this is 60 grand.
Non-turbo this motor.
Huh? Hold on, man.
The Prelude's cool.
Just like slow. Well, you can't get gapped by a minivan. Not good. With like 8 kids in there the whole time. So this is a hybrid setup.
They got 4-piston turbos.
Jones slow as bulls.
You're getting more power out of the Subaru.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, the GRZ or BRZ or GR, whatever.
The new BRZ. And it's cheaper. I get the Toyota. Good enough. Yeah. What did you say? At the Pablo thing.
I don't know. Why?
I did just Brandon at gmail.com. It went through. Which one you gonna buy?
Lucid me. That one.
I don't know why I could see you in it.
Favorite truck?
You always still want to wonder. Are they? They're quick. I've heard they're quick.
Yeah. the dual motor Teslas are good. Like anything plaid, like all the plaids are
I got
out.
you with the Tesla.
What?
Little Tesla.
Yeah. A Lucid's just a better version, I think. Faster.
Are they faster than all the Teslas?
I don't know. It depends on the model, like the trim.
I get like a plaid version of the Tesla.
So this is the GT. So this has the 2.5 turbo. That's what the N-Line Sonata has in it.
What's Kia and Sonata partner?
Similar, yeah. So the N-Line has this motor.
GDI.
Oh, this is the bootleg John, no turbo.
It's the same motor as the turbo.
This is non-boosted though.
Sure, that's not the turbo.
No, 100% not turbo.
No, did you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, the alternator.
Gotta get some sort of joking in it.
Am I wrong?
Pretty sure that's the turbo.
Yeah, I'm like, I got a Hyundai.
Well, you wanna know why you should get a Kia?
No.
We can get you in finance free for 7.
Jacob!
Sounds like a deal.
Yeah. This lady look like she's about to take off in the jump. I'm about to pull up out here. Charging my phone in this car.
Is that what she was doing?
Look, I don't know.
We gotta go right up to the table with the free bags. Oh no, I guess
Sorry, you said it. There you go.
Snagging them? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
now we gotta go to Chevy.
Yeah. Chevy riding high, boy. Totally nude.
Did you say it's totally rad?
Nude. Look at I'm just tripping shit. I just might go certified. I like that.
I know, we got one for you too. I want to get of course I got one for you.
You gonna get it? No, you're 18, kid. You're fine.
Trying to hold off. We went through them too fast so far for the weekend, so.
You just don't have any more left? They're...
We have more, but we went through a lot today, so they're trying to slow us down. So we'll bring more out in a little bit.
Gotcha.
We do got one for him right now.
I ain't trying.